generates around $14,000 in ad revenue per month, making motivational story videos like this one that pulled in 8.9 million views. You can do the same thing and make money fast. I'm going to show you how you can make videos just like this one using nothing but AI to streamline the entire process. Let's not waste any more time and begin. First, you need to make a YouTube channel, and we're going to use ChatGPT to make the channel's name and description. I know I want to make a channel about motivational videos, so let's use ChatGPT. Give me a YouTube channel name about motivational speeches. I like number 5, Mindset Mastery. Next, let's ask ChatGPT to give us a YouTube channel description about a channel named Mindset Mastery. Now we've both the name and description. Let's copy and paste them to our channel. The description the AI gave us is a little too long, so let me trim it down. Next, we need a profile picture. To do this, we are going to go to Canva and use their image generator. Search Canva YouTube profile pictures on Google and go to Canva. You are going to want to click Create Blank YouTube Profile Picture. Once the template pops up, click on the apps on the left side of your screen and click the purple app titled Text to Image. This app is an AI that allows you to write anything and have the AI turn it into an image. Now, I don't know what I want the profile picture to be, so I'm going to go back to the ChatGPT and ask the AI, describe to me what a profile picture of a YouTube channel named Mindset Mastery would look like. Now, this gave me a long description, but I like the human brain with a glowing light idea. So, we are going to go back to Canva and type in a human brain with a glowing light around it. Let it generate the images, and perfect. I really like this top one, so let's click it and add it to the page. If you don't like any options, you can always create again the images or re-describe what you want. Let's size the photo and download. Then upload the image to our channel. Now we need a YouTube banner. Again, search Canva YouTube banner and go to Canva and click the blank template. For this, I know I want a bookcase as the background. And we can ask ChatGPT to give us the slogan that will be on the banner. Put them both onto the template and change up the fonts and you're done. Upload it to your YouTube channel and click publish. Let's take a look at the channel. Looking good to me. Next, we need to start making our first video. To do this, we will again be using only AI. Since we are a philosophical based channel, we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us 5 philosophical lessons. I have heard of Allegory of the Cave, so we are going to use that one. Next, we are going to use this AI voice recorder called 11 Labs. This will allow us to make the text-to-speech without using our own voice. I really like the voice Josh, and you want to make sure you put the stability and clarity sliders all the way to the right. Then we will ask ChatGPT to write a 300-word summary of Allegory of the Cave, but I want it entertaining and engaging. Then we will copy and paste that over onto 11 Labs and generate the text-to-speech. This is what it kind of sounds like.
Once upon a time, there was a group of people who had been living in a dark cave their entire lives.
In my opinion, this sounds really good and is one of the best text-to-speech AIs I have used. Now that we have our audio, we need to make our visuals. And to do that, we need to go back to Canva and use the YouTube video blank template. For this, I want to use a library for the background, so we are going to search in the image search bar for a library. Quickly size the image, and I'm going to turn down the brightness and saturation, just so our character we will introduce in a second stands out better. I will also add a blur for the same reason. Now to make our character, we need to again go to Canva YouTube Profile Maker and use the blank template. We are going to use the text to image again and describe what Plato, the author of Allegory of the Cave, looks like. I don't like any of these pictures, so we are going to go in more detail. I really like the top right photo, so let's add it and size it. Let's also flip the image so it is easier later on. Now, download the image. Now we need to get rid of the background, so we are going to use Adobe's PNG Maker. All you do is upload the image and it will remove the background for us.
Wow.
Now let's download it. To put it on our Canva library photo, we have to upload the PNG to Canva. Then you can just drop the image on and size it. We are also going to add some text. So click add a heading under text and then write -Plato. Make the text white, and I like to use League Spartan font. Then move that down to the bottom of the image. I'm going to add the shadow effect to make the words stand out more, but you can mess around with the style of the video as you see fit. Lastly, we are going to download this image as a PNG. It is very important that you download it as a PNG in order for the next step to work. Next, we are going to go to D-ID, and this is by far my favorite AI to use, and you will see why in a little bit. You can create a couple free videos using the free trial, so we are going to do that. We are going to click create video and upload our PNG image we just created on Canva by clicking the add button. Then we add the audio by selecting upload your own voice. Then we add the audio file that we created earlier on the text-to-speech AI 11 labs. After that, we will click generate video and download the video. Lastly, we need to add the subtitles, and to do this, we are going to use the website veed.io. All you do is click generate subtitles, upload the video that we just generated, and download it from D-ID. Once the video is uploaded to veed.io, all you need to do is click auto subtitle in the language, and it will generate all the subtitles for you. Now you can change the style of the subtitles. I prefer again the League Spartan font and the block style, but you can choose any that you like. But once you are done with that, you download the video. Now, the final video will have the D-ID and veed.io watermark. In order to get rid of those, all you need to do is crop them out of the video. You can use any video editor tool to do this. There are plenty of free ones online. Now it is time to upload the video to YouTube. We are going to use chatgpt to help us do this. We are going to ask chatgpt to give us a YouTube video description about a video and the allegory of the cave. Then copy and paste that over to YouTube. Next, we are going to ask chatgpt to give us a YouTube video title for a video about Plato's allegory of the cave. And we want it interesting and clickable. I really like number 1, so let's copy and paste it over. Lastly, we will just pick a thumbnail from the ones available. Then just check all the other settings and the video is ready to upload. That is how you create a YouTube channel and publish your first video using only AI. Once you get this process down, it should take you around 10 minutes per video to make.
Once upon a time, there was a group of people who had been living in a dark cave their entire lives. They were chained to the wall, unable to move or see anything beyond the flickering shadows that played across the walls in front of them.
I hope you enjoyed this video in learning how to use these AI tools. If you have any other topics you want me to cover or have any other questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.